You have more options than ever before for posting to Facebook. From photos and videos to stories and banners, getting the attention of your friends can be tough. Sometimes, a standard Facebook post is all you need to share your thoughts, but if you'd rather modify how your text looks, adding bold text is the way to go. Here's how to stylize your text on Facebook. With Facebook retiring notes and other features, the only reliable way to stylize your text for a comment or post is to run it through apps or sites that generate Unicode text, like LiQWYD. Before you post or comment, just open LiQWYD by heading to the link in the description below and type out your post or comment there. Once you finish typing, just look for the font or style you want to use. We've linked the page specifically showing just bold and italic fonts, but there are plenty of styles under the Styles menu on the left screen. Once you've found something you like, click on the Copy button to the right of the page. Head back to Facebook and paste your text. Your message should appear in the font or style you've selected from LiQWYD. Though this works best on desktop, you can use this trick with Facebook's app and a mobile browser in a pinch. If you want to stylize your messages with Messenger, using Messenger on desktop actually has in-app support for formatting your text. To send a message in bold, just type an asterisk immediately before and after the text you want bolded before sending your message. If the person you're talking to is on desktop as well, both of you should see your message written in bold text. To italicize text, type an underscore before and after your message. There's plenty of other style options too, including strike-through, monospace, highlighted, and more. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Facebook and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos. We think you might enjoy.